I've been ballin' on you cause you smile, love you. All my homies know me best, they say I'm falling for you. And that box.
Hey y'all, today I'm in my craft room because I will be hitting you guys with my first DIY of the year. I'm trying to get back into my DIY game. I never really stopped, but I stopped showing you guys and that needs to change. So today I will be making a pop socket. I have this, oh Lord, let me not break it. Like, I got this from a company, so this was free to me. And I recently also got a new iPhone 11 Max Pro. I haven't had a big phone in a long time, so it's kind of hard for me to hold. I'm going to try to bedazzle this, so we're gonna get into it. This DIY should be inexpensive, easy, and quick because that's what your girl likes to do. On this channel we do everything on a budget. We do it for less. Just know more DIYs are on the way, so let's just hop right into this video and I'm going to tell you guys what you need for this DIY. Alright you guys, so for this DIY you will need one pop socket, a pair of tweezers. Any tweezers will work. These are actually my eyelash tweezers. Diamonds of some sort. I have these on a roll and some individual ones. A piece of a broken necklace or some type of brooch. You're gonna need some E6000 glue, some paint, and a paint brush. Okay, so first things first, I will be painting my pop socket silver. My phone case is silver, so I want everything to blend in. I don't want to see any of the green or anything, but I'm gonna come back when this is done.
Perfect.